Hi and welcome to this video about getting started with Adobe Scout. So to work with Adobe Scout, what you need to do is to make your content profilable with Adobe Scout. By default, your content will only display basic metrics, basic information. So what does it mean? Well, let me show you that. So I'm going to go in Flash Builder. I have a project open called Hungry Hero. That project is an Adobe Air project that you will find in the samples folder of the Adobe Gaming SDK. If I run that content, it's running in Air, and let's have a look at what's happening in Scout. Automatically, out of the box, information is being captured by Adobe Scout. That's very, very simple. Now, if we select a frame in the frame timeline, notice that the ActionScript panel requires the advanced telemetry option. And actually, none of the other features like the stage 3D rendering or display list or even activity sequence and top activities will really properly function if you don't have the advanced telemetry option enabled. So how do you do that? Well, have a look. It's very simple. In Flash Builder 4.7, we added a brand new option for that. So just go in the properties of your project, in the ActionScript compiler option, and notice here a new option called Telemetry Options. Telemetry is essentially the technology that powers Adobe Scout, the protocol, the technology that sends all that information to Adobe Scout. What we're going to say is yes, enable telemetry, and click Apply. Then we're going to run our content. Let it run for a few seconds. Then let's go in Adobe Scout. Now I have a new tab here, and if I click on a frame, notice that now all the information is displayed in ActionScript, in display list, stage 3 rendering, everything is working properly. Now you may be in a scenario where you don't necessarily have the sources anymore of your project and you cannot use the compiler. All you have is a SWF and you'd like to post-process that SWF and make it work with Adobe Scout. In this scenario, what you need to do is to get this little script, and it's available at the URL shown below. Just get this little script, and from the terminal, using a very simple command, just use the script and point to the SWF that you have. You'll make it work, and you'll make your SWF profilable with Adobe Scout. Now, that's for a desktop use case. Now, if you want to use mobile profiling to profile your content using Air on iOS or Android, you may want to use the Adobe Scout companion app that's available on Google Play or Apple App Store. Okay, let's have a look at how this companion app works in the next video.